Нам ще інформацію відправляти.
În cor, să rămână astăzi la ora 12 după terminarea serviciului divin.
Summer na talaga guys, oh. Green na masyado. Sobrang green.
You want there?
Yan, pupunta kami dito sa Sismijo Park. Ano ba, malilim? Malilim siya. Tapos, ano na talaga, summer na, o nabuhay na yung mga... Yan, uminom siya ng tubig. Malinis kasi yung tubig dito na iinom. So what you learn about today, honey?
You, about you.
Me, I learned just
About God.
yeah, about
Only
of
this.
course
Only this, about God. No.
about God.
You must to tell me the subject. What the subject is there?
Yan, sobrang nice ng panahon ngayon. Alam nyo guys, yung asawa ko, sobrang excited na siya sa Pilipinas, pupunta ng Pilipinas. Why you want to go in the Philippines?
Because of the weather. And
Weather?
all green and the fruits free. The fruits free. Bananas, cheap. The coconut. Like free. It's cheap and free.
Sige yan siya yung asawa ko guys, panay search siya about sa Philippines. Mas alam pa nga niya ang rules. Alam pa niya ang rules ng Pilipinas kaysa sa akin. What else you want in the Philippines?
To relax. There in the mountain. And in the beach.
In the beach. Yeah, lots of beach there. You can enjoy everything there because always there is summer. Ang ganda ng araw guys. What a great day today.
Do you think